Hey you all, ¿qué onda mucha? Today we are doing a specific review about the Chavez X-Lock Redencion, the new blue line budget Chavez line. And a few things that everybody missed, in my opinion. This is not a perfect budget version of Chavez offerings. It has some flaws, so stick around. Please subscribe and like, comment. I want to hear your comments because I have something to say about this. Stay tuned. See, that's one issue. Everybody knows the overview about this. You've heard it for Metal Complex and everybody else. Aluminum body, X-Lock or crossbar lock, D2 blade, drop point, stonewash, forks, T8s across the body or hardware, including the clip. It comes with two clips, a pretty bland one somewhere in the box, and this iconic skull clip, the Chavez skull clip. But I have a few issues with it. It could be better. It's not perfect. And it doesn't have to do with the D2 blade. I love D2. I don't mind D2. I can take care of it. But he has a few issues. And hold on, I'll get to them in a bit. Let's do some comparisons. First, I think the most comparable one would be the Demco 8020.5. You see almost the same size. The Demco is a little bit chunkier and a little larger, but the cutting edge is comparable, not the same. The Demco is bigger, of course. And the Kaiser dropper, the original one, right here. So it's about the size of the drop bear. If you want something else to compare with, we have the Fireco PM2, which is a lot bigger. But I think the comparison is with the Kaiser dropper. The blade is different. Spear point, drop point. And but the cutting edge is almost the same. This is very comparable to this knife. Of course, this is thicker because it has micarta and liners. Completely different designs, but probably the same size. Here are my issues. Let me give you an example. See how I reverse flick this? No issues at all. And when I put away the blade, this part rests on my palm, right? Every time. No matter how I open it, this part, this rounded part, rests right there. No problem. The Chavez. this whole area, it looks cool, but it's pointy and pokey as heck. Both sides. This one, not as much, but these two at the bottom need to be rounded off a little bit, because when I deploy it and each time I put the blade away, this sticks right here and it kind of hurts a little bit. So I've been doing this a lot and it does hurt a little bit. Another thing, it's a nitpick, kind of, but it's a big issue for me, is that I love to reverse flick X-Lock or crossbar locks. And with this one, if your finger is not in the right place, I'll show you what happens. Hold on. It doesn't lock sometimes. See? It locked right there. It didn't right there. It didn't right there. Not there. So you have to be conscious. Put it away from the X-Lock so it locks. You have no issues with a front flick, a slow roll, or anything else. It's just with the spidey flick. Not always, but it happens more than 40% of the time, which is a lot. So say, yeah, just move your finger. But yeah, but I don't do that with any other knife. Those are the two things that bother me. If not, I would give this a 10 out of 10. For the price, it's still an 8 out of 10, but those two things gonna bother me, and it hurts right here. This time see, it didn't lock. For those who fidget with the knives, you understand. I don't know who else has this issue, but yeah, it's not perfect. Just wanted to say that. So overall, if you don't fidget with your knives and don't reverse flick it a lot, I highly recommend this. It's a very good value. It's a Chavez Redencion under $90. What else can you ask for? And it's smooth. It took a little time to break in, but it's smooth now. There's no play. So yeah, that's my review for the Redencion, the Blue Line Redencion in D2. Just let me know what you think in the comments. Remember, I have a promotion going on. You can win a drop rare too, and a bunch of stuff. Just follow my channel or subscribe to my channel. Go to the last video, or I'm gonna put the video up here. And yeah, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care.